everyone, this is Ben with Hotsy Equipment Company, your Midwest leader in pressure washer sales and service, proudly serving Nebraska, Southwest Iowa, and Northern Kansas. Are you in the market for a new washer? The world of washers can be an overwhelming place, but don't let overwhelming turn into intimidating. Simplify the selection process by answering these 4 questions. Question 1. What are you washing? Your wash project should be the first thing on your mind to determining everything from PSI, to hot or cold water, to which accessories you need to get the job done. For example, let's say you want a pressure washer around the house to clean your car, your deck, or your siding. A commercial car wash operates at a range of 1200 to 1800 PSI. That's enough to clean your car without risking any damage to paint. So a pressure washer that tops out at 2000 PSI and 3.5 gallons per minute is enough to get the job done while also protecting your paints and stains. Now, if you were washing engine blocks covered in grease or brick walls covered in graffiti, you might consider a more powerful washer in the 3,000 to 4,000 PSI range. When comparing specs across different brands, make sure the washers you're looking at are ETL or UL certified. ETL and UL certifications ensure a washer's advertised specs match their actual performance. In addition to PSI and gallons per minute, you'll also want to consider hot water versus cold water. Hot water pressure washers, Hotsy specialty, clean and degrease much faster than cold water washers. In a commercial environment, heat is almost always a must. And finally, highlighting your wash projects will help you land on the right accessories for your machine. While foamers and rotary nozzles are designed to work on all pressure washers, something like a sandblasting kit requires a higher PSI output machine. Knowing what you're washing before you buy will help you identify the specs and features to look for in your equipment. Question 2. How would you like to power your pressure washer? Most pressure washers fall into 2 categories when it comes to power: electric motor or gas engine. Deciding how you want to power your pressure washer's motor or engine will help you narrow down which machine is right for you. If you plan on buying a hot water pressure washer, you'll also need to decide how to fuel your burner. Hot water burners can be powered by diesel, kerosene, propane, natural gas, and electricity. Each type of fuel points to a different washer. Question 3. How often do you plan on washing? Not all pressure washer motors and pumps are created equal. Typically, big box stores will stock a supply of consumer-grade washers rated at 150 to 300 hours of operation. Specialized industrial pressure washers are built to hold up to the thousands of hours required of commercial washing. It's also important to consider the consumables on your pressure washer. The more often you wash, the more frequently you'll need to replace your pump seals, pump oil, and nozzles. If you plan on heavy industrial use, make sure your equipment is built to handle your commercial workload. Question 4. Where is your nearest service center and what brands do they service? Power washers move water under intense pressure, which can wear on the equipment. Add to that the challenging environmental conditions these machines operate in, and maintenance and service become a necessity. Parts that wear, such as belts, nozzles, and hoses, need replacement when worn. Burner systems will become clogged if not serviced, and pump seals will eventually need to be replaced. The frequency of your pressure washer's maintenance and service correlates with the frequency of your washer's use. Pressure washer service is a highly specialized field. If you can't do the maintenance yourself, then buying from a retail store, an online store, or from anyone who doesn't have a reliable service center could leave you without a washer when you need it most. Hotsy was built on the foundation of quality equipment and professional service. We know what wash downtime can do to a company or an individual, so our service team takes great pride in getting you back up and running as efficiently as possible. Identifying your pressure washer service center is the best way to extend the life of your washer and get the most out of your investment. There's an exciting world of power washing out there just waiting for you. Thanks for taking the first step in equipping yourself with the pressure washer right for you. For more information on any of the products you've seen here or to schedule your free demo, visit hotsyequipment.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook to be notified when more become available. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing cleans like a Hotsy.